Hello friends, I'm Seti, and in this lecture we are going to talk about Microsoft Excel, the basic terms relating to Microsoft Excel. And as you can see on the screen, I have captured a screenshot of Microsoft Excel. You can see with this picture, and I have put different labels on it so that we can easily understand what the different terms relate to. The first term is tab, file tab. File tab is a basic tab which allows you to do different operation on Excel, like open a new workbook, save a workbook, close a workbook, take prints. So when you click on the file tab, it gives you a list of command that you can perform. Info is just the info about the sheet, like whether you want to protect the sheet or check for issues or manage versions, browse or view options. These are the different options and available under info. The new, open, save as, print, share, export, close. These are the different options under the file tab. We'll be talking about all this a little later. Then we are coming to the title bar. Title bar is located in the middle of the screen, just center of the screen, and it talks about the name of the Excel sheet or file basically. So I have saved this file with the name Excel 2013 screen. When you open a new file, the Microsoft Excel give it as a default name as book 1. So how can you open a new file? You can open a new file by pressing Ctrl N. That is a shortcut key to open a new file. So I'm just pressing Ctrl N and see I get a book 2. Why do I get a book 2? Because book 1 is already open with me. So I have 3 Excel files open. One is Excel 2013 screen which I'm already working on. This is another new file which I opened, and this is another new file. So Ctrl N is a shortcut to open a new file, and whenever you open a new file, the title appears on the center of the screen, that is book 1. Formula bar. This bar where you can actually write something is called as a formula bar, and fx is a function key. So if you don't remember any formula, what you need to do is you just click on this and it will give you a list of options of the formulas. Like when you click on all, it will present all the formulas in the ascending order, and you can select anything whatever you want. For example, we'll take sum again and press OK. So it will open a dialog box to put arguments, like I put 100 and 200, but I just want to take 2 numbers only, and I press OK. So it'll give me 300. This is the cell where the answer is provided. This is 300. So this is the formula bar. You can put the formulas. Then on the topmost right corner you have the close button. You can see this close. Let me zoom in for you. This is the close button which allows you to close the file. When you click on this button, it provides you a dialog box. Want to save your changes to Excel 2013 screen? If you want to save the changes, you can click on save. If you don't want to save the changes, you can just click on don't save. And if you want to cancel the closing of this file, you can press the cancel button. So now we are going to press the cancel button as we don't want to close it now. Okay, so I hope these 6 items are clear to you. First, file tab. Second is quick access toolbar. Third is title bar. Fourth is formula bar. Fifth, close button, and sixth, ribbon. Now we move towards the end. There's a zoom slider. You can see on the rightmost corner of the screen we have a zoom slider. Now what does the zoom slider does is, when you click on the plus button, it will zoom in, and you can see that up to 400% you can zoom in. That is the maximum you can zoom in, 400%. There's a scroll button, and towards the left when you click on the minus button, it will zoom out. It can zoom out up to 10% of the screen. Yes, up to 10%, but we want it to be somewhere between 60% and 70%, so I'm just keeping it at 70% so that the whole screen can be viewed at one shot. So this is your zoom slider. Then you have view buttons. there are different views available. Like this is the normal view which we are having right now, and the next one is the page layout. This is how exactly it look like when you take a print. So they are divided into two parts. This is the page layout, then this is a page break preview. It will show you how many pages your sheet is divided into. Since this is the image, if I remove this image, you can see that the screen is divided into 4 pages, page 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So this is view button. I just come to normal view. Then towards the left hand side bottom corner, you have the sheet 1. This is the basic default sheet that is available when you open Excel. If you want to add more sheets to the workbook, you can click on this add button, add symbol. You can see this when you click on this. Sheet 2 is added to the worksheet, and when you click on this new worksheet, sheet 3 comes into picture. So again we come to sheet 1. This is the worksheet tab. Well, these are the called rows. Rows are the vertical numbered cells 1 onwards, and columns are the horizontal A to U, you can see. So the intersection of the row and the column is called as a cell. This is a name box which indicates the cell address. Like this cursor, this cell is highlighted, it is called as active cell. Suppose I take it here, I just click on the cursor, put the cursor and click over here. It will tell me V2. V2 is the address of the cell, the active cell. Suppose I come here, then it will show me D18. D18 is this column, D column, and 18th row. So this is how your active cell address is created.